Good morning, CA Foundation students. Welcome to PCA IQ, number one coaching institute for CA and CS in Chandigarh. You have selected a wonderful profession, that is chartered accountancy, and foundation is its entry gate. Syllabus of CA Foundation comprises of 4 papers. We have already shared a PDF in which we briefly described the details of CA Foundation and the faculty of each paper. Paper 1 and paper 2 both are subjective papers, and paper 3 and paper 4 both are MCQ based papers with negative marking. Well, I am Mrs. Neeti Gupta Bansal, and I'll be teaching you business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics paper. Passing criteria of CA Foundation is 40% individually in each paper and aggregate 50% in complete in total. That means you need 200 out of 400 to qualify this exam. Exams will be conducted in second week of November 2020, and you will be given one holiday before every paper. No exemption is allowed in CA Foundation exam. Either you have to qualify the passing criteria, that is 40% individually and 50% aggregate, or you have to attempt all the papers again in next attempt, that is May 2021. Now coming to my subject, that is paper 3, business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. This paper is divided into 3 parts. First part is mathematics and total marks is 40. Second part is logical reasoning of 20 marks. And third part is statistics of 40 marks. Now in mathematics, there will be total 8 topics and weightage is properly given in the PDF. Similarly, in logical reasoning, there are 5 subtopics, and in statistics, there are 6 subtopics. Everything is properly mentioned in the PDF. Now, some students have phobia for mathematics because they haven't opted it in 11th and 12th. Don't worry. When we are here, then why to fear? We will teach you mathematics in a very simple and easy way. We focus on 2 things. One is conceptual clarity, and second thing is practice. Slowly and steadily, you will win the race. We will do mathematics and statistics alternatively. One topic of mathematics and then one topic on statistics, so that you have time to solve all the assignments. Reasoning we will do fortnightly. Recordings will be uploaded in the app. Assignments will be forwarded through WhatsApp group as well as through app. You have to solve all the questions of assignments. Now, if you have any doubts can be clarified via text messages, or you can send voice memo, or you can call me on my personal number. We can do one thing as well. I'll take all the doubts of the students. I'll make one recording on doubts and then I'll upload it in the batch so that all the doubts will be clarified timely. After resolving all doubts, we'll conduct an online test through app so that we can evaluate your knowledge as well as your performance. I hope I have made you clear about my teaching process. Still, if you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Some students have doubts about the CA Foundation enrollment under ICAI. Last date for registration under ICAI is 30th June 2020. So you have an ample time to get yourself registered under ICAI. The entire registration process is online, which I have already explained you in the PDF. You need certain documents, so please scan it first. As you don't have the mark sheet because your exams are still pending, so you can apply for CA Foundation with your admit card. Your registration will be provisional. When you submit your 12th mark sheet, then your registration will be confirmed. The fees that you have to pay for registration, the total fees is 9,200, in which 200 is the prospectus charges and 9,000 is the course fees. Rest this 200 and 400 is subscription for students journal and members journal, which is optional. Entire study material of ICAI is available on ICAI's website. We will share the link and PDF with you. So I think I have discussed you about the registration process. Still, if you have any query, please text me. In next recording, we'll start chapter 1 of mathematics. Till then, goodbye, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.